Good morning, students. Previously, when I have explained you the spherical mirror, that time I have explained sign convention of the spherical mirror. And today I am going to explain the sign convention of the spherical lenses. Already you know the ray diagram. See, this is a convex lens. This is the optic center. At 2F, I have placed an object. The image is also formed on the opposite side of the lens at 2F. Already you know why and how it will be formed. Now, first of all, the distance, this is the object, this is the optic center. Distance will be measured from optic center to the object. This is known as object distance and denoted by U. And distance will be measured from optic center to the image, and this is denoted by V. Similarly, they are denoted by focal length also. So first rule for the sign convention, all distance should measure from optic center. All distance should measure from optic center. Point number 2, distance measure same as incident ray taken to be positive. This is the incident ray, and this side we are measuring the image distance. So here image distance will be the positive. On the other side, this side is the incident ray. We are measuring the object distance from the optic center. So here the object distance is the negative. So point number 2, the distance measured same as incident ray taken to be positive. Distance measured opposite of the incident ray taken to be negative. Point number 4, height. This is the height of the object and this is the height of the image. The height measured above the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Height measured above the principal axis taken to be positive, and height measured below the principal axis taken to be negative. As per my diagram, the object distance is a positive because it is above the principal axis, and image distance is a negative because it is below the principal axis. So there are 5 rules. Number 1, all distance should measure from optic center. Point number 2, distance measure same as incident ray taken to be positive. Distance measure opposite of incident ray taken to be negative. Height measure above the principal axis taken to be positive. Height measure below the principal axis taken to be negative. Now next topics will explain you the lens formula, spherical lens formula. Already you came to know what is V, image distance, what is U, object distance, what is F, focal length. 1 by F means 1 by V means it is the reciprocal of the image distance. 1 by U means reciprocal of the object distance, and 1 by F means reciprocal of the focal length. If here one minus sign will put, then this will be the lens formula. Then how the lens formula will be defined? According to the rest formula, differentiation or the difference between the object distance and image distance is same as the reciprocal of the focal length. Again I have told, difference of the focal length, difference of the reciprocal of the object distance and image distance is same as reciprocal of the focal length. Mathematically it can be expressed as 1 by V means reciprocal of the image distance minus 1 by U reciprocal of the object distance is equal to 1 by F reciprocal of the focal length. This is the lens formula. So today your homework is revise the sign convention and the lens formula. Thank you.